Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chili paneer using Ching's masala. First, ensure you have 200 grams of paneer, 1 onion, and 1 bell pepper ready. Next, prepare your Ching's secret chili paneer masala mix according to package directions. Finally, cut the paneer into roughly 1-inch cubes and slice your vegetables into similar-sized squares for even cooking. This initial preparation is key for a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Heat a little oil in a pan and lightly fry your paneer cubes until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This step adds a lovely texture. Once done, remove the paneer and set it aside. In the same pan, add the chopped onions and bell peppers. Sauté them until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. Don't overcook them, we want that fresh crunch. This is where the magic happens. Take your Ching's secret chili paneer masala and mix it with about 200 milliliters of water to create a smooth, lump-free paste. Pour this flavorful paste into the pan with your sautéed vegetables. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring the vegetables are well coated. Let it simmer and cook for a few minutes until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency, becoming rich and glossy. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully add the fried paneer cubes back into the pan with the thickened chili paneer sauce. Gently toss everything together, ensuring each paneer piece is beautifully coated in the delicious sauce. Serve hot with fried rice or noodles for a complete meal. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money, plus other deals you might enjoy. Enjoy your homemade chili paneer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.